Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter at the games. This is a story adapted from the Young Riders by James Bean. Nadam Festival is a tradition of Mongolia. It takes place in or around July every year. Nadam is a summer festival. It's a festival that is celebrated all over Mongolia. Every village or every city enjoys it. The three most important sports that are played in this festival are horse racing, archery, and wrestling. And the most important feature of horse racing is that children ride the horses, not elderly people. So, in this story, we are going to read about a girl who ran a race in Nadam. The name of the girl is Arjuna. She used to live with her parents and her brother Tuli in the village Hadgal at Mongolia. She and her brown horse are taking part in Nadam game this year. So this year she is going to take part in the Nadam games with along with her brown horse. And that afternoon she was training her horse. As she rode beside the river, Delgar, Tuli's friend, came up to her riding a grey horse. So when Arjuna was training her horse beside a river, Delgar, that is her brother Tuli's friend, came near her with a grey horse, riding on a grey horse. You ride that horse every day, said Delgar. What are you doing? Then Delgar said to Arjuna, you ride that horse every day. What are you doing? I am training it. I am going to ride it in Nadam, said Arjuna. Then Arjuna said, I'm training my horse, and this time I am going to ride it in the Nadam games. What? That horse? Delgar laughed. Then Delgar started laughing. That this horse that you are going to run a race with, what? That's a slow horse. And he said, it's a slow horse. It can't win. It cannot win. Nadam horses have to be fast like mine. And he said, my grey horse is superb. It runs very fast. So horses like that should go for the race should be like mine. Is Tuli going to ride? Then he even asked about Tuli. Is Tuli your brother going to ride this time? Then Arjuna said, no, he can't. He's hurt. That he got hurt, and even his black horse got hurt too. Tuli can't ride the black horse this year? Good, Delgar laughed. Then Delgar laughed at hearing to Arjuna that Tuli can't ride this year because he and his horse is hurt. My horse will come first then. That means it is sure that I am going to win the race this time. Arjuna watched him ride away laughing. Then he rode back home. So Arjuna kept watching him, looking at him, and Delgar was laughing and he rode back home by laughing. I don't want to ride in Nadam, she said to her mother unhappily, and she was discouraged and she was very sad. She came home and very sadly she told her mother that, mother, this time I won't participate. What? Why? The brown horse can't win. Then she said, the brown horse is very slow. It cannot win. Who says that? Mother asked. Then Arjuna said, Delgar. Then that boy, exclaimed Aruna's mother. Then Aruna's mother shouted, exclaimed. She said, that boy, don't listen to him, listen to me. Don't listen to that bad boy, just listen to me. Mother said to Aruna. She held Aruna's hand and looked into her eyes. She caught her hand, Aruna's hand, and looked into her eyes. You are going to ride in that race. You don't have to win. That's not important. Then mother told her that to participate, to join is the most important thing. To win a game is not important thing. The important thing is to ride. And her mother said the important thing is right now is to ride, to participate, to join the game. and you are a good rider. And she inspired Arjuna by saying that she is a good rider. Arjuna smiled at her mother, and by hearing this, she became happy again. And she smiled at her mother. On the day of Nadam, 40 children came to take part in the horse races, and on the day of occasion, 40 children came to take part in the horse race. Arjuna could see many of her friends, and she saw many of her friends. Delgar was there too, on his grey horse, and Delgar was there with his grey horse. When he saw Arjuna, he laughed. So as soon as Delgar saw Arjuna, he started laughing with insult. I tell you, your horse is not going to win. And even Delgar reminded her again that day that her horse is not going to win. My horse is going to be first. And Delgar proudly announced to Arjuna that his horse is going to win the race. Arjuna decided to ignore him. Ignore him means to not pay him attention to Delgar. As the race started, everyone shouted and cheered. So everyone, all the spectators, they started cheering and shouting. The children rode away over the hill, and all the children who took part in the game, they started riding over the hill. Soon Arjuna could not see the other children, and soon Arjuna could not see the other children. She could only see the dust. She could see only the dust because of the fast moving horses. There was dusty everywhere. It was in her eyes and in her mouth, and the dust was in her eyes and in her mouth and all over her body. She held on to the horse's rein. She caught very hardly on the rein. Rein means a very uh, thick, thick leather band that is tied to the head of the horse to control its movement. And the horse galloped and galloped. So the fast moving movement of a horse is called as gallop. So the horse galloped and galloped, move faster and faster. They rode across the country uphill and downhill. So once up and down, like this, uphill and downhill. All the horses along with the children, they started running, racing. After a while, they reached the river. So after some time, they reached the river. The water here was shallow, and the water was shallow. Shallow means not too deep. The other children were already riding in the other side, and the other children have already crossed the river, and they started racing on the ground. Arina's horse ran into the shallow water splash, and she also followed them. So she ran into the water with a splash sound. Right then, as she looked across the river, when she looked across the river, she saw that a boy fall down from his horse on the other side, and the horse did not stop. So the horse on which the boy was riding, the boy fell down, and the horse still was riding. It galloped away, and it ran very fast. The other children too kept riding on, and the other children were also competing. They were racing. The boy sat up slowly on a rock beside the river. So near the river there was a big rock, and the boy slowly managed to come and sit on top of the rock. Arjuna rode across the river and stopped beside the boy. She went near the boy and stopped herself. It was Delgar. As Arjuna got off her horse, she saw blood on Delgar's head, and when she got down from the horse and went near the boy, she found that it was Delgar and that his head was bleeding. Delgar, are you all right? She asked, and she asked Delgar, is he all right? My horse, said Delgar in a dazed voice. Where is my horse? So, in a very confused state, he said, where is my horse? My horse. It's running with the other horses. I can't finish the race without my horse. So he said that it's running with the other horses and I cannot finish the race without my horse. Delgar cried and he started crying. He became very sad. He tried to he tried to stand up, but then he gave a cry and fell to the ground again. So he tried to stand up, but he could not, and he fell onto the ground again. Arjuna saw that he had blood on his leg too, and Arjuna found that he had hurted his leg too. Sit and rest, Delgar, said Arjuna. Arjuna said, Delgar, you must rest now. You wet she wet her head in the water and wiped Delgar's head and face with it. So she wet her head in the water and wiped means cleaned Delgar's head and face because it was covered with blood and dust. You have to get back to your parents, he said. Then Arjuna said to Delgar that you must immediately go to your parents. That leg looks bad and it seems like you got very deep cut in your leg. But my horse, again Delgar started crying loud. But my horse. You can ride on my horse with me, said Arjuna. Can you stand up? Then Arjuna asked him to stand up and said to him that he can ride with her. She helped Delgar to stand up. It was difficult, but she managed to help him up onto the horse. So it was very difficult to lift a boy. So, but somehow she managed and she helped him to stand up and sit on the horse. They were now a long way behind the others, and the others have left them faster, and they are now a long way behind. At the sports field, a man shouted, "They are coming!" So, in the sports field, a person shouted that they are coming. The children were coming back to finish the race. A grey horse ran before all the horses, but it had no rider. It was Delgar's horse. It finished first and alone. So the children were coming, riding back with their horses to finish the race. So suddenly, it was seen by the people that a grey horse was running without a rider. It was Delgar's horse. It finished first and alone, and the horse completed the race and stood first without the rider, that is without Delgar. As the others came up, everyone cheered and ran to the young riders. And when one by one all the children reached the final line, all the people came and cheered them that you have done very good, that's very good, try better, try more next time. So this kind of things people were saying to the children. But where were Arjuna and Delgar? Their parents felt worried. Now their parents, Arjuna's parents and Delgar's parents, were worried because they cannot see their children. They did not see their children coming back. Then Tully gave a shout. Then suddenly Tully shouted, "A brown horse was coming over the hill. I saw a brown horse coming over the hill. Two riders were on it, Arjuna and Delgar." And he said that there are two riders over the brown horse, and one is Arjuna and the other is Delgar. A doctor was soon checking Delgar's leg and head. So when they reached the final spot, a doctor was called and the doctor immediately checked his leg and head. His parents were relieved to hear that he was getting to be alright, and the doctor said, "It's alright, it's very simple, nothing much serious, he'll be alright soon." And his parents became happy. Then they heard the announcement. The winner of today's race is the grey horse. The rider has to ride it in front of the crowd. So then, at that time, they heard the announcement that the winner is the grey horse. And the thing was like this, that the rider had to ride the horse in front of the crowd. Everyone looked at Delgar. I cannot ride it with my bad leg, said Delgar. Then Delgar said, it's paining very much and I cannot stand, so it's not possible for me to ride the horse. Arjuna, you should ride it. Then he asked Arjuna to go and ride the horse in front of the crowd, that is the people. So Arjuna rode the grey horse in front of the crowd. So Arjuna got onto the horse and rode the grey horse in front of the people and received the winner's cup, and she received the prize. Isn't my sister a good rider? Said Tully proudly. Then Tully very proudly said that her sister is a good rider. Yes, she is, said Delgar. Then Delgar also admitted that yes, your sister Arjuna is really a very good rider. Then he turned to Arjuna. And you are a good friend. Thank you, Arjuna. Then Delgar turned to Arjuna and said that you are a good friend and thanked her. So that is all about this story. I want all of you to read the lesson and watch the video. Thank you.